As I said a while ago, you can check in the movement history after inputting the quantity on the specific product. Like this lock pin tooth, we already input the quantity a while ago. This tooth point. This item, actually we don't input, or we didn't put a quantity yet. So let's put on the quantity. Washer lock, we have 20. Save. And then the movement history, you can check. There was a three items stock adjusted in our inventory. This one, we don't have any adjustment yet, so let's do it all. So this one, we have only 5. Let's save. This 350, we only have 2. Save. This beacon lamp, we only have 2. Let's save. Car maintenance, we only have 10. 11 LB, we have only 20. 20. 20. So the system recorded the movement of our item. So let's check. So let's try to check in our current stock. So in A Bonifacio, we have 11 E1 70010. It has 20 items in our warehouse. So on our categories, we'll put the AS warranty, breaker line, default category, main office, PMS filter 0, promotion. Most of the product list has been inputted or recorded under the default category because we didn't know yet if this item will be used for warranty as PMS filters or promotion. So we'll just use it as a default or under default. Only the oil filter from Mitsubishi is under car maintenance. So let's try to simulate if this stock will be updated. So before we start, I just want you to look at this. So stock adjustment. This is my presentation, stock adjustment. SA. So you can check the movement history. Stock adjustment. It's SA0024. So LE or the system in charge, but as of now I am using Sir Gilbert, so I can manipulate I can manipulate the inflow inventory. So the backup file, you can choose whether it's inflow or the Excel file or using the stock out file, so we can check the full details of stock out parts, like checking the parts or the unit, the company name, or etc. So later on we will check it out. So we'll jump on this. We are finished on the stock adjustment. So let's highlight it in blue. So transferring of stock. In transferring of stock, there's a work order number, transfer to Manila. I just put it, or I just use this kind of transfer stock, Manila 1508-16-01, or CDO. We can use CDO here, CDO. So any branch has a code, so we'll use Manila or CDO first. So warehouse staff, so inflow. So let's try to log in Mr. Ellie. Okay. Ellie. because he is the one who is in charge in warehouse. So transferring of stocks. So let's go to inventory. So, like this. Inventory. Transfer stock. So we will transfer first, for example, transfer stock TS to CDO 2015 August 18 01. So it means that you transfer stock with the sequence number. So we'll use 01. So open the status. Item. So we can choose. We can input automatically or 11E1 70140 or 350. That's 0313. So as you can see, it will automatically show the input numbers. For example, 61Q6. So it will automatically show the 61Q6. So we'll just use the 11LB. So this is it. So we can click. So automatically engine fuel. So quantity. So since we have quantity on hand and availability, we have a 20. So we will transfer to Cagayan de Oro the 511LB20310. Location from A. Bonifacio. Sublocation A4 to Cagayan de Oro, CDO. So sublocation may be the in-charge person or the warehouse person can input the sublocation of this item. So let's save. So you can actually email or put an attachment and then send the transfer. Okay, since this is not yet received by Mr. Henry, so Mr. Henry will be the one to click the receive transfer. Let's check if this 11LB20310 has been deducted on our inventory. So let's check the current stock. 11LB20310. You can check. So a while ago we have 20 11LB20310, and then now 5 pieces of it has been transferred to Cagayan de Oro. Let's check the movement history. So it was inputted here, or it was recorded here, the order number. So transfer stock Cagayan de Oro 1508-1801, 5 pieces. From 20 before, it has been deducted 5 pieces, and now it has been 15 pieces. So let's try to log in Mr. Henry. To receive the item. So Mr. Henry transferring stock. And then click the transfer number. He is the one who requested it. So receive transfer completed. It means, or undo transfer, we can put the A4 location. Okay, receive transfer. Okay, A4. So let's try to log out again and change to Mr. Ellie. So let's check the current status or current product list. So we have 11LB20310, 5 pieces. A while ago there was no 5 pieces in Cagayan de Oro since Mr. Henry received the item. We have 5 pieces in Cagayan de Oro and 15 pieces in A. Bonifacio. Okay? So, we're done in transferring of stock. So, if you have any question, you can put a comment here. So, don't forget to like and subscribe on my video. Thank you.